Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Our new story is The New House. Let's start. Look at the picture. A van came to the house. A van came to the house. What a big van! What a big van! Said Chip. What a big van! Said Chip. What a big man! What a big man! Said Kipper. Look the picture, it's very interesting and colorful. Next, the man looked at the things. The man looked at the things. What a lot of things, he said. What a lot of things, he said. Mom and Dad helped the man. Mom and Dad helped the man. They put things in the van. They put things in the van. What a job! What a job! Said Dad. The children helped too. The children helped too. Kipper put his toys in the van. Kipper put his toys in the van. Biff and Chip put the go-kart in. Biff and Chip put the go-kart in. They put a box in the van. They put a box in the van. What a big box! What a big box! Said Biff. What a job! Said everyone. What a job! Said everyone. Goodbye, said Biff. Goodbye, said Chip. Come and play soon, they said. Come and play soon, they said. The van went to the new house. The van went to the new house. Dad looked at Biff and Chip. Dad looked at Biff and Chip. Oh no, said Biff and Chip. What a job! What a job! They said. Now story is ended. Allah Hafiz.